Hello, Cody with 1 Hour here. I was here to do a AC tune-up for a customer of mine. They recently had roofers come out. They're remodeling his home, so they have not been here. They've been in San Diego, but they recently had roofers come out and put on a new roof. Well, upon coming out to do my tune-up, I've realized my condensing unit was not turning on. We have our pump here, and it's in safe switch mode, meaning it won't pump out any more water. Well, why is that? This is our drain line. Seems like the roofers capped our condensation line. So, we're gonna have to rerun through here. Hopefully. A little bit more. So we now have our new drain line. And then outside.